Dear students, welcome to our channel. This is one of the important video. So it is related to the IITJEE mains examination. So the notification details and the online application process just been started. So related to this, as you know that the NTA National Testing Agency is conducting the JEE examination. So this JEE examination consists of like mains and another one is advanced. So this JEE mains examination will be in the two sessions this time. So that is in the April 16th to 21st. This is the first session, and in May 24th to 29th, it is in the second session. So you need to apply any one of the session as per your interest, and basically this JEE exam who clear the mains, so they can go for even for JEE advanced for admission into the IITs. Even for if you are clearing JEE mains, you will be appearing for NITs and other triple IITs, and also for central funded institutions or some of the universities which are recognized by the state governments if they are participated. And there is also the paper 2 that is related to the whoever want to study bachelor of architecture and planning. So the paper 1 is goes for BE BTech at AITs or NITs or triple ITs or any other institutions, whereas paper 2 is for BArch and planning. And the syllabus if you see, so the first one if you see, the JEE paper 1 that is related to the admission into the BE BTech. For that, you have mathematics, physics, and chemistry. So, in each subject, you have two sections. Each section carries 20. Section A carries 20, and section B carries 10. So, the total, which is 90, these are the marks which is given. So, within that, it is basically completely a computer based examination. So, in the first session, if you see, it is from 9 to 12, whereas the second session is from 3 to 6. And if you are preparing for admission into the Bachelor of Architect or the Bachelor of Planning, so you need to write a separate paper that is like say paper 2A or paper 2B. You need to find any one of that. So the paper 2A, if you see the syllabus, you have mathematics part 1, and additionally you have the aptitude and the drawing test. Similarly, for paper B, you have the mathematics part 1 and aptitude test part 2 and also planning 3. So these are basically Bachelor of Architect. For paper 2, you have 82 marks, whereas for other one is 105. So this is basically related to this. So there will be a negative marks. So you need to consider that. So one more point is that in the section B, the candidates have to attempt any 5 questions out of 10. So for example, if you have a 10 questions which is given in physics in as a descriptive, sorry, in the section B you have a 10 questions, and section A you have a 20 questions. Whereas in the section A, these 20 questions is mandatory, whereas in the section B, what is given, so the 5 questions you are supposed to attempt. So similarly for other also. For paper 2A, mathematics part, you have section B. Similarly for paper 2B also, you have the section B. Other things were additional. So it depends. Basically, what is given this drawing test, which is in the offline mode. Okay, it is attempted on the drawing sheet of the A4 size. Basically, you will be given a drawing sheet. So even though the computer-based test, the mathematics and aptitude will go for computer-based test, and the remaining will go for drawing test. Okay. So the timings, yes, which was what we already discussed, and so the medium of examination, you can see the medium of examination. There are many mediums like Assamese, Bengal, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjab, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. So these are English, Hindi, and Gujarat. So major languages in India, and also the English and Hindi, which are there. So you need to find what is language which you are interested. Okay, then yes, the last date to give the payment is up to 31st March. So this is the last date. So you need to apply through the online. So from 1st March to 31st March, and the pay should be paid through the credit card or debit card or any UPI or Paytm wallets. And one more point is that the candidates are requested to fill the application form very carefully, and there is no further corrections on this. So this is one of the important. And you need to apply, as I said, you need to apply only one application by a candidate for each session. Okay. So the multiple application forms submitted by the candidate for the same session will not be accepted. That means there are different sessions, right? So you may be interested for say for example BE take and also BYOC. Right. So if you are interested, so like this you need to apply for paper 1 separately and you need to appear for paper 2A separately. So it is like that. But you should not give the multiple applications for paper 1 and paper 2A. Okay. So you should give only one, not two and one like that. Okay. So this is wrong. That is what it is meaning. Now, so yes, this is the what test. So the basically, as I said, the last date is to 31st March. So start applying and see that there are paper one and paper two. So you have the different the questions which were giving, and we'll see the full details again in the next video, right? So the complete details, as I said, it is available in JE main.nta.nic.in. Thank you.